It's been a baby boom for the past 12 years.
Right? It's scary though, man. Just coming out of high school. Coming out of high school, a lot of people having babies.
One girl has graduated and
What we're talking about? Just use the first two buttons.
Yeah, we can
Especially
go
if she
with
graduated. But I'm talking about baby. Oh, fuck.
I think he's recording.
I'm totally recording this, yes. I find it hilarious.
I'm gonna record you recording.
You should. You absolutely should.
Come on, Kels. Come on, Kels. You got this. I got money on you, Kels. Let's do this.
Have a funny trend going
Which
on.
one's Kels?
Melina.
Uppercut. Crouch, hold the stick down and press Y. Or 2.
Oh yeah, because I know what.
Press the black button.
They're all black.
They're all black.
This is the first time I've ever used it.
Press all the buttons.
Just the
Just
first
take
two
your face
buttons.
and roll across it.
Hit the ugly one.
Which one is the ugly?
The black one.
Really? Wow. There's no black people.
Oh wow, they got racist.
That escalated quickly.
Alright.
You know what I mean by the black one? I mean all the black ones.
I'm recording.
So what do you got?
God damn it.
See, now we're having
It's like just
Just tap 3 buttons at the same
trying
time.
not to.
They don't got photo ID.
Alright, so who's Catan?
Okay, she's Katana. Kills, just like put your hand on where's your stick and just do something.
And that's how Texas won third place.
Right?
Exactly
Nobody
how.
seen it. Nobody seen it.
Except it was their controllers. Because nobody was playing the stick.
I think someone, they probably thought I had a modded controller, but because it's just my controller.
What kind of shoes do ninjas wear?
They don't.
They were sandals.
Sneakers? Sneakers? Sneakers.
They were flip flops.
Why do you go to black people's garage sales in the hood?
Because that's where you get your shit back. The chase part of that was funnier to me. The joke or the fact that I knew it.
The funny thing is, he used that joke on my parents.
How you gonna throw a frisbee, be a dog, and not catch that shit?
Oh shit.
Wait, that was okay. Oh shit. Just top 2.
Come off me, bitch!
It's a close one.
I can remember how to do that.
Oh, come on, you should have done fatality.
I'm not gonna lie. Losing for her being like